This is going to be a reading for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see what you guys are going through. So one card for what are Sagittarius going through. Welcome back to the channel, people. Sorry for doing it late. So here we go. Sagittarius for the month of Feb. Right now with the Justice card, you guys are trying to balance your life. Okay, you guys might also want to know about certain things that your person has been hiding from you, or someone else has been hiding from you. You want to know the truth. Okay, some of you could be waiting for an answer which is long due now, but majorly I see you trying to balance your life. Some of you could also be connecting with the Libra. Okay, what else are Sagittarius going through? What are Sagittarius going through? With Page of Wands, I do feel like you guys are talking to someone. You guys are in communication with someone. I don't think you are completely single. Okay, what else Sagittarius are going through? Okay, with Five of Pentacles in the reverse, if someone made you feel ghosted or left out, I don't see that you are in that mindset anymore. You are finally healed and you're getting better. In terms of your feelings, however, how do you feel now? How do you feel now, Sagittarius? How do you truly feel now? Like if you had some financial problems as well, I believe that is finally settled. You are doing well financially. In terms of your feelings, you do have some strong shit for someone. It's like you got a lot of passion for someone. Okay. In terms of your soulmate, how are they thinking about you? One card for what's your soulmate going through. One card for what's your soulmate going through, please. We have the Chariot. For some of you, could be dealing with the Cancer as well, or possible Gemini. Please clarify the Chariot for me. Your person, I believe, right now has not completely committed to you. Like this person is living the life, doing well financially, but still wanting to keep their options open. Okay, how are they thinking about you now? How are they thinking about you now? How are they possibly thinking about you now? With Ace of Cups, they do have some strong shit for you. Okay, the feelings are there on both sides. However, this person hasn't completely committed to you. Okay, I don't see this person being very much around you, or like being all lovey-dovey towards you, or giving you that commitment. I don't see that happening soon, but yeah, the person is looking forward to it. Okay, in terms of their intentions, how do we see this going? With the Hermit card, I believe right now this person could not be giving you that sort of attention that you need, but this person will come off more like a friend. Okay, if even this person is around, they are not around, I still see them trying to come off as a friend. Okay, but what do they have in mind? What do they truly have in mind? With Eight of Cups, I believe this person right now isn't very much ready to invest emotionally. The reason why they haven't come forward or they haven't committed to you is because they do not feel like they are ready for this. Okay, but what do they want with you? What do they truly want with you? What do this? Yeah, with Strength card, I believe there could be certain amount of resistance. Okay, this person isn't completely giving in. I believe for some of you, this person could have walked away from a relationship quite recently, and that's the reason why they need some time alone before making a move towards you. I believe your person could have had a breakup quite recently. Okay, like they are single, but at the same time they could have had some shit going on. Okay, in terms of how do they think about you, like in terms of the relationship, how do they think about you now? With Three of Wands, they are definitely looking forward to it, but for now they have their back turned away from you. Okay, and with Knight of Cups, they do wish to come forward. Okay, they do wish to come forward. I believe for some of you this could be a long distance relationship. For some of you, this person could be younger than you. Okay, like one card for what can you expect from them now? What can you possibly expect from them now? I believe they have options and they are a little confused. I know this sounds very wrong, but there could be certain amount of delays. This person, if they come forward, they want to come forward right, and I believe they won't commit to you as soon as they possibly like start conversing or start this connection. They will take a lot of time, like before having that strong commitment or moving forward. Okay, this person is a bit stubborn, bit prideful. so not very open with their emotions. Okay, but what can you expect about for the next 2 weeks? What can you expect for the next 2 weeks? Yeah, with Ace of Pentacles in the reverse, I see some delays before you guys getting together. But how does does this person view you now? How does this person view you now? Okay. With the Fool card, they know that you are wanting to get into something, but you are not going to be bound to them in any which way or form. You're like a free bird. You're trying to do the right thing. You're trying to keep your independence at the same time, wanting to go after the something that could possibly lead somewhere. Okay, yeah, the Fool card is not about commitments and this and that, but I believe you guys are finally ready to take that leap of faith towards something new in your life. Okay, I don't see you holding back, but I see them holding back a lot. Okay. With Two of Wands, there could be some distance between the two of you as well. Okay, in terms of what do they think about you as a partner? What do they think about you as a partner? The Tower. For selected few of you, I believe you guys are not very you guys are very different. You see life differently. They see life differently. So as a partner, you guys might differ a lot. Okay, like there might be strong differences between the two of you. Also, you guys could have had past history where in the past things did not work with you, work with the two of you, and you choose to leave or they choose to leave the connection. Okay, and it had got quite heavy. One card for where this is going for now. One card for where this is going for now. With Page of Pentacles, you guys are definitely going to communicate, okay, but I don't see this going forward within the next 2 weeks. Reason being, this person isn't completely ready to accept the commitment side of the connection. Okay, so what are they hiding from you? What are they hiding from you? With the World card and with Page of Cups, I believe that this person does have feelings for you. However, they are not completely ready for the connection yet. Okay, and with the World card, I believe they are at a distance. There's a lot of distance between the two of you, and there could be also some sort of age difference. Okay, that is something that could come here. There is age and age difference, and there is a distance, like physical distance. Okay. What can you look forward to this month? What can you look forward to this month? I believe you guys are finally getting over the past heartbreak. You guys are not so heartbroken over the past. You guys are finally dropped the past. In terms of Sagittarius who are with a new person, what can they look forward to? You guys are going to get a lot of attention. If you guys are with someone new in your life, you guys are going to get a lot of attention. Right now, this person could be stalking you. In terms of their feelings for you, if you guys are with a new person, this person literally loves spending their time with you. They love your energy. For now, where do we see this going? For now, where do we see this going between Sagittarius and their new person? I believe for now, you guys are going to communicate a lot. There's going to be a lot of communication. There's going to be a lot of change as well. We have the death, but death doesn't mean endings. It means change, okay, transition, okay. So I believe the new person will help you get over the past person in every which way, okay. So one card for their messages to you. Sagittarius soulmate messages. So take however it resonates. If you're in a consider new person, old person. I'm trying to do both sides now because not everyone is stuck with the past, right? So yeah, what does your person want to say to you now, Sagittarius? I sometimes stalk you online. I just told you about this. My fears make me run away from you. Okay, last card we have. Sagittarius, soulmate to Sagittarius now. Yes, I did you wrong and I regret it for life. Okay, or will regret it for life. Okay, I miss you badly. So these are the messages we have for you. I had options. I'm sorry for keeping you in the dark. So this person very much has options. This person is a well-to-do person financially, and I believe they get a lot of attention. This person is also very confident. Like they are someone who come off very successful, very vibing. So it's easier for them to attract people, right? So for now, I believe this person will come off very sexually, very friendly. They won't really commit faster. I believe you guys are going to have a amazing friendship together, but the commitment part is going to be for the later months. Okay. So yes, this was your reading for sign of Sagittarius. If it resonated, please consider hitting the like button because it greatly helps my channel to get more growth. Every like counts. Thank you for coming in. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. All those who wish to get a personal reading done from me, please visit my website and book one that fits right for you. See you soon, guys. Cheers. Happy month of Fab.